Google Translate has always been handy, but let's face it, accuracy hasn't been its strong suit. We've all laughed at those awkward, off-the-mark translations. For simple phrases, it works, but anything nuanced, you're rolling the dice, that's about to change. Google just announced a major update, 2 new modes, fast and advanced, powered by their latest AI, Gemini. Now you can pick, do you want a quick translation, or can you wait a second for something smarter and more context-aware? This is a big shift. Gemini promises translations that actually get idioms, slang, and cultural context. Language isn't just words. It's meaning, tone, and intent. That's what the new advanced mode aims to capture. It's a move from a basic tool to a real language assistant. The choice between speed and quality is a game changer, letting you tailor translate to your needs. Whether you're rushing through a train station or carefully translating an important message, there's a mode for you. So, what exactly are these new modes, and do they live up to the hype? Let's break down how they work, and why this update matters. Here's what you need to know. The heart of this update is the new toggle fast or advanced mode. It's more than a button, it's a choice between 2 different AI engines. Fast mode is the classic translate, optimized for speed and running right on your device, perfect for quick, on-the-go needs, like reading a sign or asking directions. You get instant results, no waiting. Advanced mode, though, sends your text to the cloud, where Gemini's powerful AI takes over. It takes a second longer, but the translation is smarter, more natural, and context-aware. It looks at the whole sentence, even the paragraph, to get the meaning right. For simple phrases, fast is all you need, but for business emails, heartfelt messages, or anything nuanced, advanced is worth the wait. The choice is yours, speed or depth. No more awkward, robotic translations, just pick the mode that fits your moment. This level of control is new for translation apps, and it's a big step forward. Let's see what makes Gemini's advanced mode so different. So, what's special about advanced mode? It's all about Gemini, Google's next-gen AI. Gemini isn't just faster, it's smarter, built to understand text, images, and audio together. For translation, that means it gets nuance, idioms, cultural references, and tone. Old Translate might turn "it's raining cats and dogs" into nonsense. Gemini knows it means heavy rain and finds the right phrase in your target language. It also handles formality, choosing the right "you" in languages where that matters. Context is key. Gemini looks at the whole sentence, not just words, to avoid embarrassing mistakes. Ambiguous words, Gemini checks the context, so "bank by a river" isn't confused with a financial bank. The result: translations that sound natural, not robotic. It's a leap from word swapping to real understanding. This is what makes advanced mode a game changer for anyone who needs more than just the basics. Whether it's tone, idioms, or tricky context, Gemini delivers. That's why this update feels like a true breakthrough. Now, when can you actually try it? The rollout starts now, November 4th, 2025, on both Android and iOS. If you don't see the update yet, don't worry. It might take a week or 2 to reach everyone. At launch, advanced mode supports English, Spanish, French, German, Portuguese, Mandarin, and Japanese. More languages are coming soon, but for now, the list is focused. Fast mode still covers all 130+ languages, so you're never left out. Remember, advanced mode needs an internet connection. It runs on Google's servers. Fast mode works offline, perfect for travel or spotty data. This split makes it easy offline speed or online smarts. Google plans to expand advanced mode to more languages by mid-next year. They're also working on deeper integration with Android, like boosting live translate. This is just the start. Expect smarter translations across more Google products soon. Keep your app updated and watch for new features. Now, let's look at what's new on the interface. With this update, Google Translate gets a fresh look. The app now matches Google's latest Material You design, cleaner, more intuitive. The new fast advanced toggle is front and center, making it easy to switch modes. Google's also added new home screen widgets for Android and iOS. One widget lets you jump straight into text, voice, or camera translation. Another lets you paste text and see the translation right on your home screen. No app needed. The camera translation feature is improved, too. Less clutter, more stable AR text, and better at handling complex images or menus. It groups related text for more accurate translations, especially in advanced mode. These changes make Translate faster and more accessible than ever. The redesign isn't just cosmetic, it's about making translation part of your daily routine. With widgets and smarter camera features, Translate is now always just a tap away. But what do real users think? Early reviews are in, and people are impressed. The advanced mode is getting praise for natural, accurate translations, especially with tricky sentences and idioms. Social media is full of side-by-side comparisons showing just how much better it is. Users love the improved handling of tone and formality. No more awkward emails to professors or colleagues. For professional or academic use, this is a huge upgrade. Some mention that advanced mode is a bit slower, especially on weak connections. But most say the quality is worth the wait. The main request? More languages in advanced mode. Everyone wants access. The buzz is overwhelmingly positive, with people calling this a real leap forward. Google's not just adding features, they're solving real problems. The verdict: this isn't a gimmick, it's a smarter, more reliable tool. Translate is finally living up to its promise. So, is it worth it? Bottom line, this update is absolutely worth the hype. It's not just a tweak, it's a new era for machine translation. For years we've accepted good enough translations. Now, we get real choice instant results or deep, context-aware accuracy. The two-mode system is brilliant: speed when you need it, quality when it counts. Gemini's AI makes advanced mode genuinely impressive, handling context, idioms, and tone like never before. This is practical AI you'll actually use, breaking down language barriers in a meaningful way. Translate moves from nice to have to must have for anyone with a smartphone. While advanced mode is limited to a few languages for now, it sets a new standard for the future. This is a huge leap forward, and it's only the beginning. Imagine what translation will look like in 5 years. So which mode will you use more, fast or advanced? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.